Hello, my name's Stuart Herbert, and this is one of a series of videos I've recorded showing how I've set up Sublime Text 2 for my PHP development work. And in this video I'm going to show a plugin for Sublime Text 2 that I'm currently the author of, called Additional PHP Snippets. This is a very small plugin designed to speed up some of the common tasks you end up doing as you're writing PHP code. And if we go to the community packages page for Sublime Text 2 and we type in PHP, you'll see the Additional PHP Snippets package there. Download it using package control and install it and use it to speed things up. Now, before I show you it in action, what I want to do first is give a shout out to Rob Allen, as it was his blog post on a snippet he wrote for PHP getter and setter generation that gave me the idea to put this package together in the first place. And if you've got any snippets that you think would be a good idea to have in this package, please do send me pull requests on GitHub. They're much appreciated. But what are snippets and what do they do? Easiest thing to do is show you it in action. So here's a demo class I've written. It's a very, very boring class. It has one private attribute. Now, it's becoming a common practice in PHP, rather than expose the attributes of a class to the outside world, is to wrap them in getters and setters. This gives you a public interface that you can maintain backwards compatibility with, even as the internals of your class changes and matures over time. Now, having to do this by hand is a real pain. For example, if I type here and then create the setter as well. Okay, I'm a pretty fast typer. Okay, so, but even so, then you've got to create all the dot blocks and everything else. Having to do that for half a dozen attributes soon gets to be a chore, and that's why a lot of people don't do it in PHP. It's much quicker just to expose the attribute and live with the long-term health problems that can cause your code. Now, thanks to snippets in PHP and the plugin, we can do this much quicker. So imagine being able to create the getters and setters just by doing this. PHP minus get set, hit return, hit tab to select that. Bang! Now we've got our skeleton in. But we can go even further if we just type options, hit escape a few times, get rid of the multi-select, and there we go. We've still got the dot blocks to fill in, but we've got working getters and setters just like that. It's even got the case right for the get and the set. It's really quick. Really, really quick. And it's created empty dot blocks for you to populate as well. And that's nice. Now, and it would be nice to have a dot block for this as well, wouldn't it? For the top of the file. So, UBSD license, bang. There we go. License inserted at the top, all nicely laid out. Some dot blocks to fill out. There we go. Much quicker than doing it by hand, and better than cut and paste from a clipboard file or something. Really quick, really easy to do. Now that's what the snippets do. Now let me get rid of all of this and show you it in slow motion. Okay, so it's all gone just like that. Now all of the PHP snippets in this plugin are accessed from inside a PHP scope. Very important that. PHP minus gives you a list of the snippets that we currently have. And we've only got 4 at the minute. We'll add more as people ask for them or send me pull requests, hint hint. We've got two licenses, the MIT license and the new BSD license, which are the two most popular licenses for third-party developers to create PHP code under. Getter and setter that you've seen. Something that I personally like to do. I like to carve my classes up with these headers inside the code, so I can break code up into sections to keep methods that are loosely related together. Very handy. And that's all that the snippets do. They're that simple, that straightforward. And I hate to labour a point, but if there's anything else you think snippets we could be adding to speed things up for PHP development, please do get in touch. Thank you for watching.